Dad, please come outside and play soccer with me today.
Look at baby Toby crawl across the room so fast today.
Dada, look at me move on the soft rug.
You are doing such a wonderful job, my clever baby.
Nobody is listening to me because they only look at Toby. Lucas looks very unhappy while everyone cheers for the little baby.
I must prepare this special food for Toby right now.
Mom, can you help me find my favorite Clean Sports water bottle?
Please wait a minute, Lucas. I am very busy feeding Toby.
Toby is very hungry after doing so much hard crawling today.
You always help Toby first. You never have time for me. Yum, yum. Sweet food is so good in my tummy. I do not want to stay down here with them anymore. Lucas is really angry. He is going up to his bedroom. Where is my special gold medal? It is not here today.
My favorite medal is completely gone from its regular storage place.
What are you looking for, Lucas? Can I help you find it? I bet baby Toby took my special gold medal away yesterday. Toby is only a tiny baby. He cannot reach that high shelf. Mom and Dad probably gave it to him to play with.
Let us go back downstairs and search for your missing medal.
Come join us. We are building a massive toy house here.
I am going out to the garden because nobody wants me here. The backyard is quiet, much better than that noisy living room. Lucas, please do not sit out here alone in the cold wind. Leave me alone, Anna. Go play with the precious little baby. Please, Lucas, I just want you to talk to me. Mum and Dad love you very much. You are their first son. They only take pictures of Toby. They never take photos of me. Babies need extra help because they are small and cannot walk yet. Where is Big Brother Lucas? I want to play soccer ball.
He is sitting on the bench. Anna is talking with him now.
They probably do not even notice that I am out here now. That drawing looks really cool. You drew my bright yellow jersey perfectly. You are the best soccer player in our whole entire school, Lucas. But school does not matter if Mum and Dad only love Toby.
Come inside, kids. The evening air is getting very cold out there.
I am going to my bedroom to do my school homework now. Lucas, do you want to play a fun board game instead? No, I just want to stay in my room completely alone. Toby, get out of my room. You always ruin everything here.
Big Brother is shouting at me. I am scared.
Lucas, stop yelling so loud. You are making the baby cry.
Lucas, why are you shouting at your baby brother like that?
Because he gets everything he wants, and you do not love me. Nobody understands how I feel. Everyone thinks I am just mean.
I need to put Toby to bed before we can talk, Lucas.
Lucas, your mother and I love you more than words can say.
Then why do you only look at Toby's silly crawling pictures?
Toby is a baby, but you are my brave big helper boy.
Dad, come look what I found inside baby Toby's nursery crib.
What did you find inside the baby's sleeping crib, Anna?
Look, Lucas, it is your missing gold soccer tournament medal. My medal. Why was my gold medal inside baby Toby's crib? Toby likes to sleep with it because he loves his brother.
Toby thinks you are a superstar. He always watches your soccer.
Lucas win gold star. Lucas is the best soccer player. Oh, Toby, I am so sorry for yelling at you earlier.
You have a very big heart, Lucas. We love you.
Thank you, Dad.
We are all so proud of our wonderful family team tonight.
This is the most beautiful scene in our entire house today. You can keep the gold medal in your room tonight, Toby.
Let us all go downstairs and celebrate our great soccer champion.
I am going to draw a new picture for Lucas now.
Bring your scuffed soccer ball over here to the rug, Lucas.
Here it is, Mom.
Show your baby brother how to kick the ball straight, son.
Big soccer ball is coming. Play with Big Brother Lucas. Catch the ball, Toby. Push it back to me very gently. Ah.
Everyone is happy now. Our big domestic crisis is totally solved.
That was an excellent pass. You two are great players.
It feels wonderful to watch my boys play together so nicely.
I like playing soccer inside the house when we are together. Look, Lucas. I drew you teaching Toby how to kick goals. See the funny picture? That is me and Big Brother Lucas.
We should all have a nice, healthy snack before bedtime tonight.
You helped your brother feel much better today. You are wonderful.
I know that my parents love me just as much now.
Sharing love makes our family much stronger than it was before.
It is time for the little baby to go to sleep.
Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy. Time to go sleep now. I am very glad that Toby loves my soccer medal so.
You are an amazing big brother to him. Sleep well, Lucas. Sweet dreams, my beautiful children. I love you both so much.
The house is quiet and safe. Everyone is sleeping very well.
Our home is the safest place for our entire family crew.
Lucas showed so much growth and understanding tonight, my dear.
Lucas Ball. Big Brother win gold star. Love Big Brother. Toby really loves me. I am glad I have a little brother.
A little bit of patience can solve the biggest misunderstandings ever.
We are very blessed to have such wonderful and caring children.
We must always make sure Lucas knows how special he is.
Tomorrow, I will show Toby how to kick the soccer ball high. Our home is filled with so much warmth and love tonight.
True family love means caring for each other through every single challenge.